You got it, son. Those ends that attract the iron filings the most are called the poles of a magnet.
Poles? As in like the North Pole and South Pole?
You're absolutely right, Arjun. Just like the Earth has a north and south pole, the magnets do as well.
Does this happen only with bar magnets or all types of magnets?
Very interesting question, Arjun. This happens for all shapes of magnets. The poles will always attract the magnetic materials the most.
Oh, I see. Magnets are quite interesting.
Yes, they are. Want to hear the story of a really magnificent masterpiece?
Yes, of course, Dad.
During the ancient times, there was this emperor in China named Hong Ti. This emperor had a very remarkable chariot that had the statue of a lady with long extended arms that always, no matter what, would point towards the south.
How did that statue always point towards the south, Dad?
This was the magic of a magnet. The emperor would always be able to locate the way when he was lost with the help of the statue. They have been used in some truly remarkable ways all the way since ancient times.
I want to make a direction finder for us.
Why not? Let's make one. To do so, we will be needing a magnet, a marker pen, a thread, and a wooden stand. Alright, we start with taking the bar magnet and marking one end with the marker for identification. Then, tie a thread to its center so you can hang it from a wooden stand. Let it settle and mark where both ends are.
That is all?
No, Arjun. It can't be that simple. After that, draw a line connecting those marks you made earlier to show the direction. Gently push one end of the magnet, let it settle, and mark its new position. Rotate it in different directions and see if they always come to rest in the same way.
Got it. I'm ready to experiment.